So the final question in this SAT practice test involves the same statement that we used within problem 37. So we've got Jessica opening a bank account, 2% interest. She initially deposited $100. She only gets paid interest once a year, and she's going to use the expression 100 times 1.02. We found that value for x back in number 37. So 100 times 1.02 to the t power. T is being measured in years. 38 goes on to tell us that Jessica has a friend, Tyshaun, found an account that earns 2.5% interest compounded annually. Tyshaun also made an initial deposit of $100 into his account. They made the deposit at the same time, right? So it wasn't like Tyshaun was a year or 2 years behind Jessica. They both made this initial deposit, opened their account at the same time. After 10 years, how much more money will Tyshaun's initial deposit have earned than Jessica's initial deposit? Round your answer to the nearest cent. Ignore the dollar sign when grading your response. Okay, so we already kind of discussed Jessica's formula. Whenever we did 37, we figured out that in order for Jessica to have this expression work to determine how much money she has after T years, X is going to have to be 1.02. So after 10 years, Jessica's amount in the account is going to be $121.90. Using a similar method to determine Tyshawn's amount after 10 years, we're going to have still the same initial deposit. We're still going to have the same amount of time expiring over this time frame. But the difference is Tyshawn is going to get 2.5% interest every year. So we're going to have 100% plus 0.025 added on to his amount. So doing this calculation for Tyshawn's amount, we end up with 128.01. We want to know the amount above Jessica that Tyshawn has. So we're going to have to take the amount he has, subtract the amount Jessica has, and we get $6.11.